Finally we are going to move ahead with this RMZ 450 build. So stick around, guys. Hey guys, Rotors here with Dirt and Iron. So stoked today because hey, finally I have a time to start working on this RMZ 450 build. But before we do that, I want to show you all the parts. I want to talk about the things that I've been getting ready to be able to start putting this bike back together. So as you see right now, I have my frame nice and clean, ready to go. This is my swing arm and the linkage that has been rebuilt completely with the factory links bearings. And that brings me to the factory links, which is a sponsor of this video, and this kit is for you guys. So one lucky guy can win this this kit. It's either for the linkage or the swing arm or wheels, whatever you need. Just stay till the end of the video and I'm gonna tell you what you need to do to win one of these kits. And here's my engine. It has been done a long time ago. Everything is done, everything is new. Piston, crank, valves, bearings, new clutch. So this should be a really nice engine. Should be a little more powerful than before. Also I got new cams, hot cam stage 2 I believe. So this is all done. Let's take this off the table and I'm gonna show you all the parts one by one. I should be able to build quite a lot. So let's start from the most important parts of your handling, and that's the suspension. This is the stock suspension I had on a bike that I sent over to factory connection, and they rebuilt it completely, put new seals, new bushings, everything that had to be replaced they replaced, and they set it for 195 pounds. That's what I currently weigh, not 170 that it used to be before, or 175, I think, something like that. They did it to match my current weight and skill and everything, so this should feel way better. You know, I cannot stress enough how important it is to have the suspension set for your weight and your skills and kind of riding you do. So this is for the straight motocross, my weight 190, 195, and somewhat beginner novice skills, something like that. So I cannot wait to put it on the bike. I think it will feel amazing. And here you see they changed the spring. This is a red color spring, and there's a good reason for it. You know, I decided for the bike, of course I want to have it a Suzuki, and this is a bike I got from Yoshimura Suzuki, so I don't want to change it into white or black or something like that. I want to keep it yellow color. So there would be a lot of yellow, there would be a lot of black, but also I want to have a red color. So a lot of parts, the aftermarket little things that I'm getting, they are red color, and this is the first thing that I want to show you today. So it will be yellow, red, and a lot of aluminum, and black as well, a little bit of gray. So this is for suspension, very important part. Now let me show you something that I just love how it looks, and it will make this bike look really great. Here are, I'll show you both. Brand new wheels from Tusk Impact, and I have these wheels on my KTM, and I just love them. They're super tough, super durable. You know, I ride hard that bike on different kind of rugs and everything, and they still look great. Couple scratches from, you know, me hitting the rocks, but they're still straight, and I think they're pretty durable wheels. So I have a lot of you know, expectations for these wheels to last for a long time, and they also look amazing, like the black wheel and the gold anodized hub. And I went ahead and got Tusk brake rotors together with them, and in front I have oversized rotor, so I should get a little more braking power. You know that those Suzukis, they're not as great as KTM, the Brembo brakes, but with a little bit extra, you know, size for the brake rotor. And I'm also going to show you, I'm also going to rebuild the brakes. I got brand new brake pads from Tusk. And one more important thing, I'm going to install this steel braided line from Tusk as well. So no more, you know, spongy feeling front and rear. I'm gonna have steel braided lines with a bigger front rotor. The brakes should be way better than stock, and yeah, much better braking power, so maybe I can go a little bit faster, something like that. Alright, so this is for wheels and brakes. Let me show you my next thing. So for this build, all my bolts are going to be brand new. No more rusty bolts. On my KTM build, some of you saw it, I used some of the old bolts that were sitting on the bench for like a couple months. I cleaned them once, but they got a rust, and I just put them back in rusty. Big mistake. So in this build, no such mistakes. I have all brand new set, all the bolts I need. Plus, I'm also going to clean the bolts that I reusing the old one. I have the Scotch Brite wheel from Cameron, and I'm gonna hit those bolts and just make them nice and clean. Another part that is going to be yellow on the bike is the TM Design Work chain slider and chain guide. This is going to be installed on the swing arm, and the swing arm is nice and clean. It was cleaned by hydroblasting. It looks like brand new, and we will be installing this very tough, you know, this is one of the toughest product I think on the market. I have it again on my KTM, and man, I hit a lot of rocks. Later I want to show you the KTM after 50 hours, how much I've used that bike, but everything still, you know, is holding great. I just have a bunch of scratches on the bike. So TM Design Work, great product. I'm going to be installing this on the swing arm. This is a part that will be red, and I think it will look great. These are the hoses for the radiators from Pro Factory silicone hoses. So I'm not gonna reuse old black hoses. I'm gonna put this red set, and I think it will look nice, like red hoses, you know, red spring, and some more red anodized parts from Works Connection I'll be getting. So I think it will look good. Very important part is my new silencer, FMF Power Core 4 from FMF, and also I have new header from FMF, so Mega Bomb. So together, you know, header and this little puppy should give me this couple extra horses, especially from the bottom, because my RMZ was missing a little bit of the bottom power, you know, coming out of the turns. I don't want to clutch it all the time, and I'm just missing a little bit more punch from the bottom. So this should help, and then I have this stage 2 cam that should help to get a little more pull in the mid and top range, something like that. I don't know 100% how it's gonna be, but I'm expecting it to be much better than it used to be. For the handlebars, I decided to go with the rental fat bar. This is the band, and also the, you know, it's not high band, it's kind of low band. Let me take it out for you. So this is something that I think I will feel pretty comfortable. I've ridden a few bikes from J. Clark that had these handlebars on the MX track, and they really felt good. So this is a good band, good durable bars. They look cool, black color again. So I'll be installing these rental bars. Stock foot pegs on the RMZ are not bad. They are pretty wide, so there is no complaint over there. But they got a little bit older, and you know, the teeth on the top are a little bit dull. So I went ahead and got these titanium foot pegs from Scar. These are just a great product, you know, super light, super sharp on the top, so you are not sliding. Yeah, I'm gonna be using up my sole on the boots, maybe a little bit more than on the stock foot pegs, but hey, I wanna be planning on the bike. I don't wanna be sliding, and these foot pegs, I can really trust them a lot. They are just great product. I've ridden a lot of bikes with these foot pegs, like the last couple months. All the bikes I tested, they came with the Scar foot pegs, so really great product. Another very essential part on a dirt bike, which you are supposed to change quite often, is my rear sprocket, chain, and also front sprocket that I have somewhere. I need to find it. Anyway, this is the Stilt from Super Sprox, and it comes in 2 colors, and I think it will look amazing on the gold, the gold anodized wheel. Let me grab it. So we got the wheel, and then this sprocket. Let me show it to you like this. Okay, I think it will look really good, you know, like black and gold anodized, and a lot of aluminum, a lot of red, yellow. Man, I cannot wait, you know, when I put these things together. I don't know, it just looks so cool when you start putting brand new parts together. So this is for the wheel, and also I got Super Sprox, and I believe this is it's sealed, so it's an O-ring, I believe. It's not your regular motocross, but you know, 450, that bike has a lot of power. You're not really gonna feel it, and it will just last a little bit longer. So I have a O-ring chain for this, and I shouldn't forget, yeah, an important part on these wheels is a Dunlop tires, MX33 for the rear, and also Dunlop tire here for the front, MX33, same stuff. So I'm going these tires that a lot of people are running on their dirt bikes. that should do, you know, everything I need on the track. So this is full setup, full ready to go, and of course Jay Clark helped me to put all this together. The last very cool part I'm going to show you today is this very cool looking skid plate from AXP Racing. This is a French company as well, and they have amazing products. They come stacked on all the Sherco bikes. This is a plastic, it's not aluminum, it's super light and super durable. I know the RMZ is not going to be a woods bike, I'm not going to take it on the trails, you know, hitting some rocks and stuff like that. But still, on the track, I want to have a protection that, you know, you never know what's going to happen. And this is super light, it's not going to bother me, it's not going to rattle on the frame, nothing like that. It's a very nice black color. Let me take it out. So check it out. This is really cool looking product, and it also going to give you the side protection, not just the skid plate, the glide plate, but also gives you the side, so it will protect the side of the engine. And then you can go like this, or you can put this yellow red sticker on it. I think I'm gonna put a sticker on because it kind of fits the theme of my RMZ, you know, it's yellow and a little bit of red, so I think it will look cool like this. Alright, so these are all the parts I'm going to use. Probably next video I'm gonna start with putting my frame together. So I'll put a triple clamp, grease the bearings, put a triple clamp together, then put the forks, and then probably install the wheels, and then do my engine with a swing arm. So hopefully next video the bike should be standing on the wheels, and put the rental bars on the top so I can be able to maneuver in the garage and go little by little. So this time I'm gonna take it really slow, attention to the detail, a little bit better than what I did on KTM. As I said, no bolts will be rusty, everything that I will put on the bike should be nice and shiny. If I don't do anything, if I do some mistake, comment below, let me know that I did a mistake. I want to hold accountable for, you know, my my build. I want to do it really nice this time. And yeah, I'm just super stoked, and I will find a time really to spend maybe like 4 or 5 hours in the garage. Hey, if anybody lives somewhere in the area and has nothing to do during the nighttime, hit me up and maybe you can help me. Who knows? I don't know. But I have really odd time when I'm working, like 11, 12, you know, when kids are sleeping. So it's really odd time. I can't really get anybody to come and help me in the garage because I just work in really odd hours, and I don't want to ask anybody to stay night awake with me, you know, to work on a dirt bike. So anyway, this is all for today. Oh, it's not all, because I have to tell you how to win the kit from factory. So today it's very easy, very simple. All you need to do, comment on this video, like this video, and then go and send the email directly to these guys. And the email address is dirtnirongiveaway@factorylinks.com. I'm gonna put it on the screen, and also I'm gonna put it below in the description. And when you send the email, tell them what bike you have, what kind of bearings you want, and tell them the country where you're from. So after that, they're gonna pick a guy, and they will get in touch with you. You will send them your address once you are picked, and they're gonna send you the bearing you need, whatever, linkage, swing arm, wheels, whatever you need. So like this video, comment on the video, send email to these guys, email address below in the description, and after that, good luck. Alright my friends, that's about it for today. I'm happy I finally got this video out of the garage, and right now, well, no more excuses. As I said many times before, it's time to start building this bike, this beautiful RMZ 450, in my next video. Alright guys, that's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.